brushing your hearing aids at night, if you have been advised to change your filter at home, this video is going to help you with some troubleshooting errors that some may have. First, gently pull off the dome. You'll see the white filter at the top of your speaker. Insert the side straight up and down with no white piece already on it, and then reinsert the side that did have the white piece on it to begin with. Then flip your dome over to the bottom and make sure that little circular part goes right on top of that filter, and make sure it's on there securely. When you were first fit, you should have received an envelope labeled wax traps. Inside of this envelope is an instructional piece of paper on how to change your filters. And just one more time to go over how to properly insert and remove the filter from your device.
Make sure to remember to be brushing your hearing devices every single night, and you can pick up your toothbrush at our office or at your next appointment. And also make sure to remember to grab your hearing aid supplies, either batteries or these wax filters, either at your next appointment or whenever you want to stop by our office. Thanks so much.